Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Wipro third phase hiring not started, but what they mentioned in the registration form, everything I am going to explain. What about interview update comment explanation in our channel? I am explained all the comment and I replied everything. So if I missed anything means you just contact me and don't skip the video. I'm going to show the registration form and a comment explanation. Everything I'm going to show now. So watch the video till end. And the first one will be, this is what the registration for third phase hiring of this year. What they mentioned here is, registration starts at May 2, ends at May 22. Online assessment will be May 21 to June 5. So about they mentioned this kind of thing while applying to the student within 10 days they given the time to register. Within 10 days they closed the portal and they told we are going to conduct very fastly and we are going to finish it everything. They mentioned in their form, and this is what the registration link. Now it's not open and it's not available. They mentioned here registration, online assessment, business, letter of joining. Everything they provided here. This is what they mentioned. Last date to apply May 2022. Now May over, June over, July 10 is over. Almost 48 days completed, but still no update. It is very bad and unfaith for student they are doing. And next one will be, this is our channel and they are watching daily, I hope. And this is what the comment which I am getting. Every comment I explain then and there within this two comment, except that every comment I am explaining. If I missed it any comment, you just comment me whether I forgot or while how can I say, while filling all comments I missed 1 or 2 minutes. I am really sorry. I am providing everything about the third phase hiring, daily companies, internship jobs. Today 5 companies started their hiring, and next we can see about the Infosys interview result, EEE bench, EC bench, computer for each and every state I am providing. There are so many companies offering their L&T for 9 lakh package. Everything I am providing. So don't get tension and don't get panic. Your entry will be good. It almost taken 100 days over. You can watch this video also. I am explained fully there. And here they mentioned everything up to date. What they told, because of students should panic, they mentioned like that only. May 2 to May 2022. Suddenly they opened this portal and suddenly they closed, but still no update. Everything will be a question mark to everyone. So don't get frustrated and you will get a good idea and they will announce a good thing. 50-50 selection, 50-50 rejection, no problem guys. So many companies are waiting for you. Try another company as much you can. Get an offer letter and join. Don't join for bond. If you get a job, relieve, then you can join here. That's it in my point of view. So if you have any doubt about the interviews or any companies job opportunities opening, you just comment me. I will reply all comments is good, and I am replying all comments and I am reading every comments only. I am replying. So this much opportunities opening here, interview update, internships, everything providing here. If you have any doubt, comment me. I will surely reply to you. If I missed also, just keep on commenting, bro. I just mentioned here you forgot or like that. I will surely reply each and every comment quickly. So thanks for watching. Surely they will hire third phase in August, they told, mentioned in their Google. So let's wait and watch. If any update comes, surely I will put it in our channel. So don't panic, you get a good job. So try another company once again I am saying. So thanks for watching.